All right, here's the next one. This is a matchbox. It's a great color. I'm guessing it's a rescue. Trem Maison, number 33, rag top, it doesn't move. Nice wheels, chrome running boards. Oh yeah, that was a thing. You save up money, get chrome running boards. Tinted window. Oh no, yeah, that looks like a tint. A little. Very small taillights and the small license plate bulb. That means it's a big deck lid. It's probably in the 60s. And look at the bumper with the tow hitch. I think that's great. They must have just sold little trailers to go with these things. I don't know where I got it. Front bumper's broken. Not a lot of detail on the headlights and taillights. Let's flip it over, see what we got. Matchbox. 1998 Mattel. Yep. 1/58 scale. 62 VW Beetle. Made in China. Got a sway bar on there. Some steering. I don't remember if that's how the steering worked. Transmission. Bottom of the motor is got fins on it because it's air cooled. Pretty basic. You can even see 2 cylinders. That's great. The jugs. Kind of the correct muffler. Good for you, Matchbox. Looking at the details. Yeah, it feels like a rescue. It rolls really good. Let's give it a try on the track. Whoa. Really fast. So that's the latest. A Matchbox. Love the rag top. Still shiny. So the rag top is a different piece of plastic than the glass. Look at that. All right. Love these cars. Got good springs. Signing off.